Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model this simple 3D block. So let's get started. Now let's work with the front plane. Now let's make here construction line. Radius of 25. Diameter 25. Now let's extrude using mid-plane condition. Thickness of 50. So we're done with this. Now let's sketch on top plane. Corner rectangle. Now from here to here, 65. To make here construction line. Having 25 as radius. Diameter 25. Now let's extrude. Thickness of 20. Let's use a blind condition. 20. So we're having this. We are done with our model. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.